Okay, hello everyone. Good evening. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, just we're waiting 1 minute, then we'll start for joining all of other participants.
Is everyone okay in your family?
Yeah, Alhamdulillah, everything is now good.
Were you at home when the earthquake struck?
Yes. So but now some damage. We also find out some damaged building in Dhaka city, basically for old Dhaka city.
Wow. But there is no aftershocks. Everything is
Today we
good
also
news.
feel the aftershock,
Oh,
like
okay.
3.3. Okay. And yesterday was 5.78, 5.7 or 5.5.
Wow. Do you think it's better not to turn off the video, not to turn on the video so we
No
have a better
problem.
connection?
No
Or it
problem.
doesn't matter?
No.
Also, Mijanur, I wanted to confirm, since we started one day later, does it mean that we will have next class next Friday?
Yes, next Friday we take the class. Yeah.
Okay.
Basically, for
Okay.
this type of group training, we just take the class only for the Friday and Saturday every week. Okay.
Okay. Sounds good.
Yeah. Okay. There are total 8 or 10 members, but okay, we'll start. No problem. Okay. In the meantime, they also join. Yeah. Okay. So first of all, welcome everyone for joining this 7 days online training program on Google Earth Engine. So basically, this is our one kind of unique online training program. Basically, in this online training program, you will learn all of those from beginners to advanced level of Google Earth Engine. And if you have no knowledge about the coding, mainly Python or JavaScript or any other no knowledge about the Google Earth Engine, so I hope after completing the total 7 days online training program, you are able to do any types of remote sensing analysis very quickly and efficiently using the Google Earth Engine. And our main target is that all of you become a developer on Google Earth Engine. Okay, so basically when you become a developer on Google Earth Engine, so then you can easily develop different types of remote sensing analysis or different types of remote sensing tool you can easily develop, and further you can also make the analysis. Okay, so this is our main target, to work with Google Earth Engine for the different types of remote sensing work. Okay, and in this session, basically, if you have no knowledge about the Google Earth Engine, don't worry about that. So you can easily learn all of those from beginner to advanced level. And our session, basically, I take that delivered the lecture for 3 hours and 1 hours for the problem solving. Okay, so 3 hours I delivered the lecture and 1 hours for the problem solving. In the problem solving class, you can easily share your own screen and show me your problem, because every class I also give you some assignment regarding this type of classes. You also try to do this type of assignment, and further face any problem or any issue in your code you try to run but this code is not run. Okay, then you can simply share your own screen, because we have also another 1 hour for the problem solving class. So after 3 hours live training program, then we talk about the problem solving class for the different types of problem. Okay, for the assignment or any other issue, you can simply share your own screen and then you can easily show me your problem. And our problem solving class not only for the 7 days. So after completing the 7 days, when you face any problem for the future, suppose you try to make some analysis but you face a problem, this code is not work, So then you can easily get the support. It's called the lifetime teaching support. Suppose when you face any problem, then you can easily get the support. So let's go start. So let me share my screen. Then first of all, I try to discuss about that all of course content. Okay. So after completing the 7 days online training program, what you will learn from me, then we jump for today's class. So let me share my screen. Okay, can you see my screen? Is it visible?
Yes, it is visible.
Okay, thank you. So
Yeah.
thank you so much. So basically, first days, we try to discuss about that introduction to Google Earth Engine. Basically, how to work with the Google Earth Engine, and how we can easily create the environment to run the Google Earth Engine. Basically, we can easily learn the Python and JavaScript. So in this online training program, I will try to teach you both of programming languages, Python and JavaScript, and how to use the Python and how to use the JavaScript to make the Google Earth Engine for the different types of remote sensing analysis. And as a beginners, if you have no knowledge about the coding, so that's why in this session I also discuss about that some basic principle syntax of JavaScript and Python. Then we talk about the client and server, how we can easily connect the server, then how we can easily connect the client. So this type of things we try to discuss about that, okay, because it's very important. And how to get the server. Okay, so how we can easily get the server, we also discuss about that. And how to import the different types of raster and vector data from the local storage or Google Earth Engine data set, we also discuss about that. And filtering the attribute table, how we can easily filter the attribute table. And next, then second we'll also discuss about that how to filtering and displaying the satellite images, Landsat, Sentinel, Modis, or Aster, or any hyperspectral images. So how we can easily filter and displaying this type of satellite images, we also discuss about that. And how to create the satellite composite, different types of composite. It can be mosaic, median, mean, different types of composite. And how to use the different types of composite for the different types of work, we also discuss about that. Then talk about the band combination, so different types of band combination and how to use this type of band combination, we also discuss. Then export satellite imagery, so how we can easily export this type of satellite imagery. And then how we can easily work with the ArcMap or QGIS software to work with the Google Earth Engine, we also discuss about that. Then import, filter, reduce, clip, and display the raster data in Google Earth Engine. Basically, Google Earth Engine, we find out a lot of raster data set. So this type of data, how we can discuss about that. Then time series analysis for the temporal analysis, this type of things for the ready-made data set, let's discuss. Then how to export the any shape file from Google Earth Engine. Then we also discuss about the annual image composite. Basically, when you work with the different types of scientific paper, then we need to work with the annual interval. Suppose for the specific year or a specific annual. So then we also need to learn about that how we can really take the monthly or annually, this type of thing. You also discuss about that in the second days. Okay, and third days basically discuss about that. Okay, anyone any question you can ask me. Yes.
Just a quick one.
Yeah, it's also
Just a
recorded,
quick,
no problem.
you're recording, and
Yeah,
in
yeah.
case like if I miss something, I can go
Yeah, no
over it,
problem.
right? In the recording. Okay,
No
thank you.
problem. So after the class, you also get the recorded session, no problem. Get it. Okay, and third is basically discuss about that how to calculate different types of indices. So in the remote sensing, we are use the different types of indices to identify different types of feature from the surface. Suppose for the vegetation, we are using the NDVI. For the water body, we are using the NDWI. So different types of indices for the mineral sector or vegetation sector, different types of feature, how we can easily extract this type of things, we'll also discuss about that. Then you can easily using this type of satellite imagery, Landsat or Sentinel, then also work. Then filtering, displaying the satellite images, mainly Sentinel-2, and how to monitor the water body index or vegetation index, and how to extract the water body using the thresholding technique, we also discuss about that. Okay, and how to make the time series chart. Okay, suppose NDVI time series chart or different indices time series chart, how we can easily make, we also discuss about that. Then how to export the shape file from Google Earth Engine, and how to add the legend on your map or legend title. We also discuss about the flood mapping, So how we can easily extract the flood water and permanent water. Suppose for any flood region, how we can detect the flood, we also discuss. And monthly time series chart of NDVI or NWI. Okay, basically for the different research paper or different types of analysis, we need the monthly temporal as well as for the seasonal or annual. So these type of things I try to cover. And fourth day, we also discuss about that how to remove cloud and haze from your satellite images, mainly Landsat Sentinel. So basically, when you work with the rainy season, then we find out the lot of cloud and haze on our satellite images. But this type of cloud and haze we can easily remove from our satellite images and get the very neat and clean satellite imagery. And then we will also discuss about the DEM data, digital elevation model, how to use and make the different types of topographical mapping. Suppose hillshade map, slope map, aspect map, okay, using the NASA SRTM DEM or ASTAR DEM, how we can easily use, then we'll also discuss about that. And then we talk about the LST, land surface temperature, how we can easily monitor, and using the Landsat satellite data as well as also MODIS satellite data, how we can easily monitor, and how to calculate the average, maximum, minimum, NDVI or LST or any other things, how we can easily compute some statistical value. Suppose in the Dhaka city I want to monitor, compute suppose average temperature or maximum temperature or minimum temperature, or in the Dhaka city I want to compute suppose average NDVI value or minimum NDVI value or maximum NDVI value. So any specific region for the different types of statistical value, how we can easily compute, we also discuss about that. And after the LST, we also discuss about the urban heat island, how I can detect. So urban heat island, we also discuss about that, as well as what's the effect of urban heat island, we also discuss about that. It's called the urban thermal field variance index or UTFVI index. We also discuss about that. And how to make LST time series chart using Landsat imagery, we also discuss about that annually or monthly. Okay. And fifth, they basically discuss about that air quality monitoring. So in the air quality, different types of air pollutants, suppose nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, or methane, carbon monoxide, formaldehyde. So this type of gases, how we can trace using the satellite imagery, we also discuss about that. And how to calculate the density. So where is the high density, where is the low density, where is the medium. So this type of gases we also try to identify. And then how to download the air quality parameters time series data in CSV file. We'll also discuss about that. Yes, please.
Yeah. General, quick question. I noticed slight discrepancy. So I'm looking at the classroom, 35 batch 7-day GE online training, and the schedule and the items in the each day, they slightly different from what you are showing right now. Is there any chance I can get this schedule with these items? For example, for the 5th day, you only have 6 items, but in your list, you have 11 items.
Yes. So basically, suppose this type of 5th day. So in the 5th day, I try to discuss all of topic.
Yeah, so is there any chance you can get us this schedule so I can also have it for the reference?
Okay, so basically each day and this type of topic is related. Okay, suppose if I don't teach you about the first topic, then you don't understand about the second topic. So this type of topic is related, correlated. Okay, so we are just try to teach you all of those up one by one.
Yeah, no, I understand. I just wanted to ask if we can get the schedule, like if you can update the schedule in the classroom so it reflects what you are showing.
Yeah. So I also try to
Thank you.
update the reschedule
Thank
also.
you.
Then you can also easily get the idea. Then you can get the idea. No problem. I will send. No problem. Otherwise, it show the different date. Yeah. But one by one, serially we try to complete, and every Friday and Saturday we take the class, inshallah. Okay, every Friday and Saturday in a week. Site in Dhaka city for a specific time period. Suppose month of January 2021. How to calculate the total emission of nitrogen dioxide or any other gases, we also discuss. Then we talk about the AOD, aerosol optical depth. Okay, how we can easily monitor. Then particulate matter 2.5. And we also discuss about the another tool. It's called the ArcMap or ArcGIS tool. You can also do using the QGIS also, because ArcGIS is a commercial. Okay, but we can also use the QGIS. It's a free open source. Okay, but both are the same process, because after downloading the data from Google Earth Engine, then for creating the map layout for our research paper or presentation, we are just use the ArcMap or QGIS software. for the preferring our layout of our map. Suppose I just make the analysis, suppose iron oxide, okay, to identify this type of place using Google Earth Engine. So I need to download the data as a GeoTIFF file format. So this data further I just import in the ArcMap or QGIS software to produce the map for my presentation or research paper. Suppose I just make the land use land cover map in Google Earth Engine, then I need to download the data of land use land cover as a GeoTIFF file format. So this file further I simply import in the Google Earth in the ArcMap or QGIS software to produce the map for my research paper or presentation. So every time when you work, we need to download the data. And this type of data, how we can handle using the ArcMap or QGIS software to produce the final output of my map, okay, for my research paper or presentation. So this thing, inshallah, I try to show you the fifth number test, then you can get the idea. Then accuracy assessment of air quality monitoring. Suppose I just create the map of nitrogen dioxide from the satellite data, as well as I also have some ground truth data. So then now how I can compare the result using the root mean square error or different method or R square or correlation. So this thing also discuss about that accuracy assessment of air quality monitoring. Then how to extract the points pixel value for a specific geolocation. Suppose I have some ground truth data. It can be anything. So any ground truth, latitude, longitude value. So now I want to extract some specific values from this type of ground. So then we are just upload our points data, and then we can easily extract this type of points pixel value for a specific geolocation. Then we talk about the trend analysis, how we can easily check the trend. Suppose in the Dhaka city, the nitrogen oxide is increasing or decreasing, or vegetation is the increasing or decreasing. So this type of trend, uptrend or low trend, we'll also discuss about that. And how to apply linear regression. Okay. Then we'll also discuss in the fifth number test. Okay. Okay. Any question, please? Please.
Quick question: if we already use Google Earth Engine and it computes everything, why do we need QGIS and or ArcMap?
Yeah, so basically in the Google Earth Engine, it provide you the data. This map we cannot use in our research paper. Okay, we cannot use in our research paper. If you check the different types of paper, research paper, this map looks have a layout. So we need to add the title, we need to add the legend or north arrow. So creating the better map layout, we are just use the ArcMap or QGIS software. But our main analysis we are doing using the Google Earth Engine.
Okay, I'm not entirely understand, but I think I will understand as you show more.
Yeah, then you can get the idea. No problem. No problem. No problem.
Thank you.
No problem. You can get the idea. And sixth number day basically discuss about that machine learning. Okay, suppose supervised, unsupervised. So how we can easily use the supervised and unsupervised machine learning, and how to make the different